Hi, I'm Miltonchang of Bonsaiheirloom. It's a rainy day outside, so we decided to film this inside. No bonsai demonstration per se, but we'll still talk about bonsai because it's such a great hobby and it's really a great gift. And I would talk about one benefit of bonsai, which is not often thought about. That is a great tool to build relationship with your children, and also a great way to teach them the values that you like to instill upon them in a very natural way by keeping a bonsai together. In a sense, together keep a bonsai as a hobby. So before I go forward, I'd like to announce that we have raised about $18,000 for the donation to date. I don't sell actually at least I don't like to sell my old bonsais. This one I started from a seed 27 years ago. I would not be selling those kind of a trees. So I thought I offer that as an incentive for people to donate. Plus you get this tree from me as a gift to thank you for your generosity. So it's not the value that the tree is exactly worth $25,000, but it's your generosity that you can. If you donate $1 million, I mean, you point to this tree and say, "This is my $1 million tree. I donate $1 million for the LA fire victims." So another big announcement I want to make is that we will stop the Q&A because I'm getting very similar questions. In fact, most of them can be found in Bonsaipedia. The information can be found on our website. And what I would do is I'll aggregate all of the questions that comes in about bonsai trees, or for that matter, any subject that you'd like to know about me or anything I do. I will respond them thoughtfully to you directly, personally. In addition to that, I would say every other week or so, we'll have a newsletter aggregating all of the stuff that I wrote and sent to you as an email. And so for that, you have to send us your email address, definitely. And so I think that establish a more closer relationship, and you don't have to go and look at the 3 videos a week. Now it will be 2 videos a week on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so today the subject is that really how to teach children your value system in a nice way and using bonsai as a vehicle. When you think about it, bonsai is really such a great hobby. It's a moment of focus after the hectic day in the office or at work. And it's almost like meditation. It's really good for your mental health. And so it's a hobby that can benefit anybody, and including children, to get into a habit when they're young. Just imagine a child at age 10, 12, 15, 20, a young person at age 20 starting a bonsai. By the time when they're 50, he's going to have a really, really nice collection as his heirloom for gifts and whatever purposes that he has. And so just imagine if you pick up bonsai as a hobbyist with your children and take care of the bonsai together and assign the watering and caring responsibility to the child, and then do the clipping together as a joint project. You'll be teaching, you will enjoy the process of bonsai, the focus, the meditation, the advantages of having bonsai as a hobby. But not only that, they will learn caring because it's like carrying something. And so they develop a sense of responsibility, knowing they have to do something they have to do, not just they like to do something, a play or whatever. And so that's a very natural way also to teach children about nature, how tree grows. And in fact, it's an introduction to gardening, get their hands dirty. And the other thing is really empathy. You know, the child will feel an attachment to the tree. And when he sees the leaves drooping due to dryness, he will say, "Oh my goodness, I better take care of it." And that's empathy. And so all around, I think it's a very good vehicle to teach children all of these good value systems. Again, remember we'll be stopping our Q&A on Wednesday. Again, send us your email address for our blog and announcements, and go visit our website and photo gallery. So thank you very much. I hope next week we have good weather. We usually do, and we can be outdoor again. Thank you.